like the mango, wow.
I've taken some carrots.
The weather is so nice, I'm going to make salad of it.
Anyone can come and use the fridge, and we don't judge people for doing so. So if you're hungry, you can come and use the fridge. If you see something in there that you like, come and use the fridge.
We pick up a lot of produce that is going to waste on British farms, and therefore there's always some produce that we can't sell. Today we had a few surplus tomatoes, apples and pears from a supplier in Kent, and some onions as well from Suffolk.
Food service is a really unsexy issue. It's about dusty warehouses and vans and moving tons of products between where they originally were to where they could go next. The fridge is part of helping people understand that they, at an individual level, can pressure their supermarket, pressure their local restaurant, that they shouldn't be tipping food out of their homes into the waste bin without thinking about what the impact of that is.
I think it's brilliant.
Yes.
I've been here before when I brought the grandchildren here to show them.
And it helps people.
Ooh, lots and lots of really delicious looking apples. Surplus foods is superfoods, and that we should all share it rather than it go to waste. It's a crying shame that it goes to waste.